Let's build a gorgeous red gaming PC using only parts from MSI's new MLG line of components. Hey guys, it's PG Tech. You might notice something's a little different today. That's right, I've got different nails on. Just kidding. Obviously, I'm dressed up. Today, I'm dressed up as Long Nia, which is MSI's new original character that they've actually got all on their MLG line of components. So today we're gonna build a super cool all red gaming PC using only items from MSI's MLG line. And that includes this gorgeous GPU, which I am super excited to put in this build. I never dress up like this, so I'm honestly really excited, but y'all let me know in the comments if you can recognize what character this costume is originally supposed to be for, and I'll give you one hint. It's from a kid's TV show about fairies, which should pretty much tell you exactly what it is. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the build. All right, let's get started. This motherboard is so beautiful and it features this super easy SSD installation, so you don't even have to unscrew anything, which is super nice. Oh my gosh, the gold detailing too just matches everything. The knife, the nails, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so aesthetic. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Let us start installing things. So today we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X CPU. We're just gonna go ahead and install this. And then we have 32 gigabytes of Kingston Fury DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte MSI SSD. I don't even think I need the screwdriver right now. All right, let's unbox this cooler. This is the Core Liquid A17 MLG edition, and y'all, this is so cute. Look at her blushing. I'm obsessed. No way. This is so cute. All right, this is what I wanted, and we can put the rest away for now. Y'all, I really wanted to unbox this little figurine that came with the AIO. Oh my gosh, if this is a blind box like the Lucky one, that would be so cute. They really need to bring those Lucky blind boxes back. So this little figurine will sit on the AIO itself and will just be super cute. Stop. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. We're twinning. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. Perfect. Now let's toss everything into the case. All right, so this is the case that we're working with today. It is completely themed out to match the MLG Nia theme. This is her little familiar, and here she is, gorgeous. My twin. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. I noticed all these details are just so pretty. I don't want to peel this until the end because I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it, but this just pops open. Oh my gosh, she my twin for real. Yo, what do we think about the cosplay? Should we keep doing this or is it too much? I kind of feel like doing it again because it's honestly really fun to dress up. All right, this top panel also has thumb screws, so we can just go ahead and take this off. Yeah, it's got some gorgeous red detailing here and a bunch of mesh. And then inside, we've got some custom MLG fans. So this matches the entire theme. It's like purple and gold, which is super pretty. And then same with the back fan. We've actually got 3 reverse fans here, which is really nice. Love seeing that. This front panel, I don't know if this actually, oh, it does just pop out really nicely. Look at that. I hate it when you have to like unscrew the front panel. It's super annoying. All right, and now we can lay this down and actually install the motherboard. Yippee. I'm screwing manually today because I forgot to charge my electric screwdriver. Let me pick this up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I honestly got inspired by Hall of Tech, who dresses up for a lot of her themed builds, and it looked so fun. I had to try it for myself. I've been influenced. If you guys haven't seen her channel, you have to check it out. I think she's just Hall of Tech on every platform, but her name is Aya, and she is the most beautiful human being ever. All right. Let's unbox the power supply. Just like everything else in this build, everything is completely themed out, and I can't wait to see what this looks like. Yo. No way. They have her little familiar here on the back, and this is so gorgeous, you guys. Even the font on the different like connectors is themed. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is an 850 watt power supply, which is definitely enough for our build today, and it looks freaking gorgeous. It literally matches my nails. This is so perfect. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like glowing. And then even on the label, it's like super themed out. The attention to detail is crazy. Here's what the cables look like. These are just standard, like, so nothing too crazy here. It would have been cool if they were also red and like purple. Whoa, they have these like pre-installed cable combs that are actually pretty premium. I really like these. All right, so I did some cable management off camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest now. Mostly just the CPU power cables. My elbow just cracked. Am I getting old? And then we're gonna go ahead and install this with the fan facing the bottom, just like this. Oh my gosh, this is really coming together. And then go ahead and plug in this giant 24 pin. Perfect, now we can install the AIO. All right, so here is the cooler. Now the fan emblems actually are slightly different from the rest of the case, but they're still matching the theme because it's red. I do like that the fans are pre-installed, so we don't have to spend like 50 billion years installing that. Cool, don't forget to peel this, and then let's just literally install this. I'm gonna gently like set this down here first. And then these we're just gonna route straight to the back. Oh, this is actually nice. The way the AIO sits, you can still plug in all of the connectors. So that is actually super handy. We're gonna plug this one into the CPU fan. Gorgeous. Now all we have to do is screw it in. Guys, it's looking so clean. All right, let's get ready to install that GPU. We're going to open up the second and third slot. It's like so hard for me to see from this angle. And then this motherboard has this super cool button that you press to open up the slot instead of having to like press it, because my nail would for sure pop off. But here is that gorgeous GPU. Make sure you take this cover off and let's slot that thing in. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. And then let's route this cable through. We're almost done. Okay, final touches. We got this little thing that came with the AIO. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're finally done. Look at this. Cable management, not too shabby for one of my PG Tech builds. Let's go ahead and close this. I'm so excited to turn it on. All right, plugging it in, flip the switch, and oh. Wow. Look at that, you guys. It's finally done. Y'all, I'm actually so excited that MSI is bringing color back into the PC building space. The red on these heat sinks looks absolutely insane, and I really hope they end up doing more colors in the future. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like their new original character? Would you mount this vertically and hide the character, or mount it normally and show it off? I feel like either way you can't go wrong because it just looks so cool. But anyways, let me know down in the comments and subscribe for more aesthetic PC building tips.